Create engaging hero animation with Figma. So here I have a vector shape and I also have a transparent portrait. Now with the first shape, let's transform it to a component and create two variants. And let's go to the second one and scale it down and center it to the frame. Now let's select edge, blob, and rotate it like that. So it will become close each other. All right, like that. Now let's go to prototype and connect the first one with the second one. After delay, smart animation 1 millisecond, and here 1 millisecond. Also the second one with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond, and here 2000 millisecond. Smart is out. Now let's go to my portrait and create a component, two variants. All right, let's connect. Let's first select the image and scale it down like that. Then let's go to the move tool, prototype, and connect the first one with the second one. After delay, 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond, and here 1 millisecond, smart animate. Then connect the second one with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond and 2000 millisecond, smart animate is out. All right, now let's go to assets. Here is my component. Let's go to my hero frame and click and drag. So let's scale this down. All right, now select the frame and hit play. And here is my animation.